Can reduce the light here. It's reduced. You increase it. Wow, and then you can change the color here. See, you can change the color. It's really good. I really do like it, man. Wow. Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning from China. It's morning here in China, and it's really so cold. Like, we're facing winter now. That's why you see me putting on hats and a jacket, and they are black because I want to absorb some heat. So guys, I got a ring light. It was really big on the picture when I saw it, and this is it here. It's just appeared a very long straight thing, so I have not opened it. I don't actually know how it looks like inside. So let me show you how I saw it on Taobao. I bought it from Taobao. That's the picture there. So this is how I saw it from Taobao, and it has appeared like this. So I don't know if it's gonna be as big as I saw it. So I'm gonna unbox it, so I just wish it's gonna be good so we can take our good videos even at night. This is winter period, and it's always really dark. Like, even inside my room or my sitting room is really dark to take videos, maybe at night or stuff. So I decided to buy this ring light so I can at least manage to take some good quality videos. So guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe, because I have more beautiful content for you, especially this 2021. I'm gonna talk more about business from January. I've already made the schedule and stuff. So January, I'm gonna be talking more about business and how you can start your year nicely, and business in China, also how you can do business in China and stuff like that. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just subscribe, because I have very beautiful content for you. So now I'm gonna unbox this ring light for us to see how it looks like inside. Okay, let's just do that now. So I'm gonna open it here. Yeah, I just hope it's gonna be good, man. Oh, wow, so strong, man.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you...
Yeah, so this is it. This is actually the tripod stand. You see, it's really long. Like, I can still extend it up. You can lose it from here, and then you take it up. It's really long, you see. So this is the tripod stand. Yeah, so this one is the light itself. I'm gonna unbox the lights too, so that you can see for yourself and stuff. It's a multicolor light, so I choose to buy this multicolor so that I can change different colors and stuff, like, wow, it's so cool, man. I'm so happy. Wow! Yeah, cool. Wow, let me open. Yeah, guys, wow, this is it. I think it's really gonna be good. This is the light, so you see. So we're gonna take good quality videos with our ring light. Even at night, it's gonna be shiny. Wow, so good. So you see. So I want to thank all you guys for supporting this channel so far. Like, it's really awesome. Let me remove it from the pack. I think, oh my gosh, this is where to put the phone. Yeah, so I want to thank all you guys who have been supporting me so far for this channel to grow. I'm so happy. I really do love you all from the deepest depth of my heart. I'm so happy. So guys, please keep supporting me so you can see the ring light. Like, it's so good. Wow, I was thinking it's gonna be small, but it's really big the way it appeared on the on the picture. I think it's almost the same thing. And you know what, this one arrived first and then this one arrived second. I was like, wow, these guys have sent me just the tripod stand. What am I doing with all of this tripod stand? And it has made me to buy another ring light, which I think is on the way coming again. Oh my god, I went to buy just the lamp. I didn't buy the tripod stand again. So not knowing that they had to send it too, it's just that this one arrived before this. So well, it's still good. I'm gonna have the two lights, so it's still good. We're gonna go with that. So guys, if you want to buy ring light, you can buy these. I bought this one on Taobao, so I'm gonna put the link on the description box so you can buy from that same shop that I buy. I think it's a quality good light. It's a good quality light, so I'm gonna taste it now. So guys, I just mounted it. You can see for yourself, like, it's pretty good. I just finished mounting it. I really do love it, you know. Like, wow, Scooby-Doo. Wow, so I'm gonna take good quality videos, you know. I really like it. Okay. So this is how beautiful it is, guys. Like, wow, I increase the light. You can reduce the light here. It's reduced. You increase it. Wow, and then you can change the color here. See, you can change the color. It's really good. I really do like it, man. Wow. I'm so happy for this ring light. God bless. God bless you all.